Welcome to this week of Fly Rod Chronicles. We're in my home state of West Virginia, and we're taking part of the Almost Heaven Classic. I'm humbled. I got chosen as being one of the panelists. This weekend is so cool. It's Father's Day weekend. We get to do a little golfing, but we get to go fishing down at Four Fillies Lodge. And I get to take my daughter, and our deputy director of DNR, he gets to take his son. Fishing, golfing, West Virginia. Doesn't get any better, so stick around.
Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man, and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles.
Got a beautiful evening, huh?
We do. This is gorgeous.
Yeah. So we're in Anstead, West Virginia.
It's beautiful, Curtis.
Yeah.
Serenity Retreats. What a treat
Yeah.
it is. Amazing.
It's absolutely amazing.
Can't wait to tell all my friends.
That's an incredible place. And speaking of incredible, tonight we're going to the Almost Heaven Classic, second annual.
I'm so proud of you, and it's going to be so much fun.
You know what? We're just doing what we do, and that's loving West Virginia and loving the people, and did I say fishing?
A little bit of fishing.
Yeah. So let's go out to the event.
Okay.
And I'm looking forward to meeting the other two panelists, and Jenna and Chris.
Mm-hmm.
And I can't wait to see CJ and Coop, and then we got a concert.
I know. I can't wait for that. It's going to be amazing.
You know, Phil Bowen, he's becoming a legend here in West Virginia and nationwide.
What a treat it's going to be tonight.
Yeah.
So much fun.
All right, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, I'll start it off here. So Curtis, millions of people have probably been introduced to West Virginia through your show over the last 20 years. And I don't know if you've maybe thought about it that way, but you've probably been maybe their first introduction to a West Virginian, hearing a West Virginian speak, you know, how you carry yourself, the charisma on the water, the stories. First of all, have you ever reflected on that responsibility almost, and like that honor to be someone's window into West Virginia for the last 20 years?
Cooper, it was a dream come true. I love our state. It's easy to love. I've got to see 49 states and fish in 48 states. I'm missing 2. And I tell everyone that West Virginia's got the largest, most beautiful playground in the world. So thank you. Yeah. And it's easy. It's easy to show off what we have right here. So it's something I take with pride. It's also something I don't do alone. I couldn't do it without my family. I couldn't do it without the state of West Virginia. We have, again, the most beautiful and greatest natural resources right here, and it's because of our people.
On your show, again, it's a show that uses fishing, my perspective, see if you agree, to using fishing as an example to connect with people, Republicans, Democrats. How has that been your core founding and approach to it? And do you feel like people can almost take a break when they watch it and when you take people out fishing?
1,000%. If it was just me fishing and every episode, I would have been done the first season. This is our 22nd season. We try to tell stories in all of our shows. We travel vets whenever we can. And Chris, thank you for your service. We appreciate that. My wife's a veteran, and thanks to all veterans. We appreciate you. So it's the good home West Virginia stories that we love telling. I wanted to put West Virginia as our headline sponsor, and I thought if I could do that and tell the stories that we have right here in our state, show off our natural resources, that was a dream come true. So, second annual Almost Heaven Classic.
Yeah.
I mean, so far, does it feel like a success?
Oh, it is, man. It's a success because of the people that have supported us. Like year one, like I just said on stage, I was a little nervous. I'm like, are people going to show up? Are people going to show up? Hundreds of people showed up, and again this year, second year, hundreds of people showed up. So for us, it's mind-blowing that you participated, and we couldn't be more happy.
Yeah, and I think it just speaks to, people love West Virginia. People love talking about West Virginia because when you are from West Virginia, you care about it. And when you surround yourself with other West Virginians who also passionately love West Virginia as much as you do, great things happen. Yeah. And that's what the Almost Heaven Classic is. It's a combination, a collection of West Virginians who are trying to do great things. And when you put West Virginians in the room together, you're going to have amazing results.
Yeah.
And that's kind of what this has turned into.
We were just fortunate that Star USA, Federal Credit Union, they had like a sister, essentially nonprofit that they run called the Almost Heaven Scholarship Fund. And we learned about it, and once they started telling us about it, that it supports low-income West Virginia students, it sends them to college, it puts money in their pocket, it alleviates a little burden. We're like, wow, that's the kind of like grassroots, like philanthropic efforts that we want to put in. So yeah, this event in large part benefits that scholarship, stays in, keeps West Virginia students here. They don't leave the state, they don't go to Ohio State, they go to West Virginia Tech, they go to Marshall, they go to WU. And that for us is just, that's such a heartfelt thing, and we couldn't be more proud to do that.
Yeah, at the end of the day, we all know that there are economic struggles for everybody. Everybody's dealing with something, and then others certainly more than others. So anytime that we can help contribute to just giving a little bit back, putting money in people's pockets to help them get to college, it's super wholesome. And the philanthropic aspect is really it's kind of a beautiful thing. And like Cooper said, it is. Yeah. And it's keeping people here, keeping students here, and getting their education here.
What an awesome event this has been so far. We're going fishing, but first we're going down to Glade Springs, and we're going to do a little golfing with the Almost Heaven Classic crew. Now, the real fun starts. We get to go fishing, and we're going down to Four Fillies Lodge. The deputy director, Brian, he brings his son, Willie T. I get to take my daughter, and it's Father's Day weekend. I don't think it gets any better than this.
So Brian, we got Father's Day coming up this coming weekend.
Yeah, this is a big treat for us. Willie's gonna go out, try to catch himself a trout on a fly rod.
Yeah.
Willie, can you tell him your full name?
Willie Trout Bolyard. No way.
Sure is.
Oh my goodness.
So we are ready.
Willie T. Willie Trout. See?
Pick you up?
He's
We're not
ready
picking
to
you up.
go.
You're too big. You ready to go fishing though?
So Autumn, I'm not gonna pick you up, but
Please don't.
but listen, Brian and I, we're gonna just sit back and watch you guys catch a couple fish. It's a real cool little meandering stream up here, Rich Creek, that literally comes out of the mountain of a cave right over here, and it's Four Fillies Lodge. And last time we were here, it was super cold, so we're looking forward to this one. That's a good fish, Audie. We'll get down here below you. Upward, Joanne. Atta girl. Atta girl. Nice rainbow.
Okay.
Has Willie caught one on a fly rod yet?
He has, down at Elk
Wow.
Springs last summer.
Nice.
Okay, we're gonna show it. I'm gonna throw it out. Show me your 1, 2.
Nice.
Hold on to him.
Willie!
Okay, hold it right there, bud.
I got
Now,
your
I need
net.
you to reel.
I got your net.
I need you to reel. Reel here. Reel.
Good job, Willie.
Reel. Keep it right there.
Good fish, Willie.
Okay, keep it right there. We're gonna walk back with me. Walk, step it back.
Good fish, Willie.
Reel. Reel. Crank on him. Crank
Oh, that's
on
a
him.
tank. Oh! Look at him, how big. He's jumping. Willie, you got a toe.
Oh, you got it. You got it. You're doing great. You're doing great, buddy.
Come
Don't
on.
wait. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let him go. Reel, Mr. Curtis. Reel. Take a step back. Whoa.
Here we are, Willie.
Yeah!
Good boy. Come here, buddy.
Give him a high five.
Come here. Come here. Willie, look
Look at this thing. Come on, buddy. You did great.
You got a good rainbow. Let's move right here.
Come on,
Look at that
bud.
one right there. Watch him take off kicking. There he goes. See?
Just fine. Great job.
Willie. Hey, Willie. You know what? This coming week's Father's Day. That's a pretty good gift right there.
You wanna-
Fishing with your dad.
What are we gonna do next weekend? What do you wanna do? Bowling. You wanna go camping? You wanna go fishing? Okay.
Hey, Willie.
You wanna see if you can catch another?
You got the hang of this now. We're gonna catch that big one. Oh, good girl. What a hook set, Autumn.
Woo!
Left hand. Okay, move into it. I'm gonna go get the net.
All right. Woo! Finally.
Good fish. Good fish. Good.
Oh,
no,
oh.
no. Don't. do that.
Okay.
Get
Okay.
the water.
Okay. I got excited.
You're doing great.
Oh my goodness. Woo!
You caught a dandy.
That's a nice one.
On the dry, baby.
Oh my gosh. Woo!
Okay. I'll hold your rod. You come on down here.
All
Grab
right.
my shoulder. Lean on it. Nice fish.
Located in the mountains of Peterstown, West Virginia, Four Fillies Lodge is a paradise for all anglers. From ponds for the kids to technical meandering streams, Four Fillies offers a unique fishing experience for the whole family. After a long day on the water, unwind in one of their uniquely designed cabins. From their family-style log homes to couples glamping pods and everything in between, visit fourfillieslodge.com to create your perfect getaway.
Okay, back at me, back at me. I really do need his net. I'm not kidding. No, don't go over there. You caught a dandy. All right, Audie, so I marked this and I held my thumb on here and Willie brought over a marker, so now we get to see how big your fish was. All right. You want to do centimeters or millimeters or?
Yeah, let's make it appear longer.
Okay. 20, 22.
Wow.
Wait, whoa, there. Exactly 22.
Wow.
Huh?
Wow.
That's a stud.
That's a big fish.
Yeah.
That
yeah.
was fun.
Yeah. And your casting was perfect on it. It's one of them deals where we just kind of agitated it into eating, right? Oh, Willie!
That's you. That's you. That's
stuck
you.
a good one.
You got it. You
You
got
stuck
it.
a good one.
You got it. Stay.
I'm
Wait there.
flipping that,
Okay,
brother.
okay. You got to reel the other way, buddy. Reel the other way. Hold on. Wait.
Yep, still got it. Still got it. Oh, he's a toad.
All right, buddy. You're good now. Listen, when you reel this way, take your hands. Wait, no, wait. Hold it. Go out here in your tummy. Reel.
Nice.
Just like that.
Nice.
Oh, he's mad.
He's a jumper. He's
Now
a
we're gonna-
jumper.
You're good. Right there. Reel.
This is a really good fish.
He's mad. He reels. Hold on. Let him.
Good fish.
Reel. Reel this way. Reel this way. 1, 2, 3. Right there. Hey! Yeah, go see him.
Willie,
That's
you got
the
a toad.
biggest
You got
fish,
a toad,
buddy.
man. Look at this guy.
He is huge.
He's as big as a kindergartner.
Come on, you got to see this guy.
He got mad.
Wow, buddy. Is that the biggest fish you've ever caught?
Okay, so Four Fillies on Father's Day weekend. It worked out all right. Huh?
I'd say so.
And Willie caught a big fish.
How big was your fish? Show him.
It was that big?
Show him again. How big?
And you caught a couple, and you went swimming, didn't you?
Did you play in the creek? What do you think about fishing, buddy?
The best, right there. That should be a T-shirt. I like it.
And that's what's great. So last weekend was free fishing weekend.
Yeah.
So that was June 8th and 9th, and it's a great opportunity to get these young ones out. You don't have to worry about a license for you or yourself. See if you can get them hooked on it.
Yeah.
And this has been the best Father's Day I've had in a while, for
Wow.
sure. Willie, was this a good day?
How cool is that? Hey, that's awesome. And I understand you guys are going to come back down to Four Fillies Lodge.
Yep, in a couple weeks, we are down here for a short family vacation. Three of us have got a cabin.
Nice.
Parker said he's going to show us some of the property. We're going to catch some more fish. Willie, maybe we can catch a gold one.
He wants the golden trout, huh?
That's the gold trout, isn't it?
Yeah, we have to catch him.
Why do we got to catch the gold trout?
Because we can, so we can make him back to his family.
Yep, we catch them and we let them loose back to their family.
That's awesome.
Okay, buddy.
Well, what a great day it's been,
Come
Willie.
stand around.
Thanks for fishing with us.
Can you shake Mr. Curtis' hand and say thank you?
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. You want to shake Autumn's hand too?
Shake Miss Autumn's hand. Don't give her a hug, though. You're soaked.
You are a little soaked.
Yeah, you go change your clothes before you get out of here, huh?
Yeah, I think we got water in our eyes.
Thanks, Brian. This was awesome, man.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. This is what it's about.
That's right here. Yep.
Come back next week for more Fly Rod Chronicles.